Welcome to this series of wrist-free yoga classes for your everyday practice. If you have injured hands, wrists, or elbows, but you still want to cultivate a daily holistic yoga practice, then these videos are for you. In this series, you'll find 10 unique 1-hour yoga classes from very slow and gentle hatha to dynamic vinyasa classes that will definitely make you sweat. These classes combine the asana practice with pranayama, yogic breathing techniques, and meditation to help you connect with your body in a deeper way. So, if until now yoga only looked like downward-facing dogs, planks, or chaturangas, it's time to introduce a new way of practicing that is safe, healthy, and fun. I hope you'll join me on the mat.